means one term is monomial and one other expression can be binomial or trinomial. Okay. Today we will learn multiplication of polynomial by polynomial. Now what is polynomial? Polynomial means it is an expression which has more than one or two terms. Okay, means maximum term is there. So let's find. Let's take one example. So here we solved this kind of example in previous class. Okay, if there is 102 multiply 103. So if we apply distributive property, then 102 can be split as 100 plus 2 and 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Clear? Now what we need to do here? First 100 is multiplied with whole bracket. So 100 is multiplied with 100 plus 3. Now plus 2 multiplied with whole bracket. So this 2 is multiplied with whole bracket 100 plus 3. Now you can see this is a monomial with binomial. So 100 is multiplied with 100 first. Now we open the bracket here. So 100 is multiplied with 100 and 100 is multiplied with 3. Now for this one, 2 is multiplied with 100. Be careful in the sign. 2 is multiplied with 3. So plus 2 multiplied with 3. Here each number outside the bracket is multiplied with every number inside the bracket. So here 100 multiplied 100 will be 10,000 plus 100 multiplied 3, that is 300 plus 200 plus 6. Now addition, so it will 10506. Now same concept we need to apply for expression, algebraic expression. Let's take, it is x minus 5 multiply x plus 6. So now this is a binomial and this is binomial. Here no sign means it is in a multiplication. Okay. So here first x is multiplied with whole bracket. So x multiply x plus 6. Now here minus 5. Again be very careful in the sign. It is minus 5, so you need to write minus 5 multiply with x plus 6. Now open the bracket. So x is multiplied with x and x is multiplied with 6. Now same, minus 5 is multiplied with 6 plus minus 5 is multiplied with here x and here 6. Clear? Minus 5 is multiplied with x, so minus 5 multiply x and minus 5 multiply 6, so plus minus 5 multiply with 6. You can also write here plus and this side. Then it is also correct. Otherwise you can remember whenever there is negative sign inside the bracket will change. So here x is plus become minus and 6 is plus become minus. Now we can write here x multiply x become x square plus x multiply 6 becomes 6x. Now minus 5 multiply x become minus 5x and minus 5 into 6 become minus 30. Now you can see these two are like terms. 6x minus 5x. So it is x plus x minus 3. So this is our answer. Clear? Now let's take one more example. X square minus y square 2x plus 3. Now here again this first bracket x square minus y square is in a multiplication of 2x plus 3y. So what we need to do? First number x square is multiplied with both terms inside the bracket. So x square 2x plus 3y minus y square is multiplied with 2x plus 3y. Now open each bracket. So x square is multiplied with 2x plus x square is multiplied with 3y. Now minus y square is multiplied with 2x and minus y square is multiplied with 3y. So now simplify x square multiply 2x. X square and x become x cube and 2, that is the coefficient. Now here 3x square y. For this one 2xy square minus 3y cube. Now all are unlike, so we cannot further simplify that. So this is our answer. One more example. Now here 6x minus 2y multiplied with 2 minus x. So here first 6x is multiplied with 2 minus x, minus 3y is multiplied with 2 minus x. Clear? Now 6x is multiplied with 2 and 6x is multiplied with minus x. So here sign of 6x is plus, we write plus here, multiply minus x. Minus 3y is multiplied with 2 and minus 3y is multiplied with minus x. Again here this one is minus x, so we write minus x. Here again minus 3y multiplied with minus x, so it is minus 3y multiplied minus x. Now 6x multiplied 2 become 12x. So here for this we can write it is 12x plus 6x multiply minus x become minus 6x square. Here 6x multiply minus x become minus 6x square. Now 3y multiply 2 become 6y. So it is minus 6y. And here you can see minus 3y minus x. Both have negative signs, so it become plus minus minus plus 3xy. So this will be our answer. Let's take one more example related to sign. 8 minus x, 4 minus 2. Now here you can see this is minus x and this is minus y. So first we multiply 8 with whole bracket, 4 minus y. Then minus x is multiplied with 4 minus y. Now here 8 is multiplied with 4 and 8 is multiplied with minus 1. Here 8 is positive, so I write plus 8. Now minus x is multiplied with 4 and minus x is multiplied with minus 1. Clear? Here sign of 8 is plus, so I write plus here. Here sign of x is minus, so I write minus here. Now 8 4s are 32 minus, because this is plus, this is minus, 1 negative, 1 positive, it is minus 8y. When one negative sign in a multiplication, answer is negative. Here minus 4x and minus x minus y become plus x. So this will be our answer. 6, 3 minus 2x, 4 plus y. Now again 3 is multiplied with whole bracket, 4 plus y. Minus 2x is multiplied with whole bracket, 4 plus y. Okay, now open every bracket, that is 3 multiplied with 4 and 3 multiplied with y. Now here minus 2x is multiplied with 4 and minus 2x is multiplied with y. Be very careful in the sign. So here 12 plus 3y minus 8x minus 2xy. Now all are unlike terms, so this will be our last step. This way you can solve the multiplication of polynomial by polynomial. Now let's solve example given in your textbook. Example A. Multiply first x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. So here what you need to do? First x is multiplied with 2x plus 3 and minus 4 is multiplied with 2x plus 3. Okay. Now open the bracket, that is 2x multiplied with x plus 3 multiplied with x. Now minus 4 is multiplied with 2x and minus 4 is multiplied with 3. Here sign of 4 is minus, so we write minus 4 multiplied 2x, minus 4 multiplied 3. Now 2x multiply x, that is 2x square, x into x square plus 3x minus 4 into 2 that is 8x minus 3. Now you can see these two are like terms. 3x minus 8x. So here 3 minus 8 5, but it is negative. When it is like term, then you can perform the addition or subtraction between like terms. So 3x minus 8x, that is minus 5x and minus 12. So this will be our answer. Now next one, x is multiplied with 3x plus 5y. Minus y is multiplied with 3x plus 5y. Now open the bracket. So x is multiplied with 3x. X is multiplied with 5y. Now minus y is multiplied with 3x and minus y is multiplied with 5y. Now x multiplied x, that is 3x square plus 5xy minus 3xy. Y multiplied 3x is minus 3xy minus 5y square. Now again you can see these two are like term. xy. Algebraic factor are same, means they are like terms. So 3x square 5 minus 3, that is plus 2xy minus 5y square. Okay, let's solve one more example. 6 minus a into b minus c. So here 6 is multiplied with b minus c, minus a is multiplied with b minus c. Now 6 is multiplied with b, you can directly write 6b, and 6 is multiplied with 6, that is 6c. Now minus a is multiplied with b, that is minus ab, and minus a is multiplied with minus c, become plus ac. Minus minus plus ac. Clear? You can also write directly like this. Now next one, example 9, a plus 7 and b minus 5. So here you need to multiply these two expression. So here we can write a plus 7 multiply b minus 5. Now a is multiplied with b minus 5 and plus 7 is multiplied with b minus 5. Now here a is multiplied with b and a is multiplied with 5. 7 is multiplied with b and 7 is multiplied with minus 5. Here minus 5 is there, so we write minus 5. Now ab minus 5a plus 7b minus 35. 7 is plus, 5 is minus, which is minus 35. Now all are unlike term, so we need to stop here. Now next one, a square plus 2b square and 5a minus 3b. So here first a square is multiplied with whole bracket, so let's multiply. And plus 2b square is multiplied with whole bracket. Now multiply a square with whole bracket, so a square multiply 5a minus plus a square multiply with minus 3b. Here minus 3b is there, so we write minus 3. Plus 2b square multiply with 5a plus 2b square multiply with minus 3b. Now 5a square with a become a cube minus, here 1 minus sign is there, so it will be minus 3a square b. This one 10ab square, 5 2s are 10 ab square. Minus, here again one negative sign, so it will be minus 6b cube. Now all are unlike terms, so we need to stop here. Now next one, a square minus b square and a square plus b square. So let's find a square is multiplied with a square plus b square and minus b square is multiplied with a square plus b. Clear? Now here open the bracket, a square is multiplied with a square and a square is multiplied with b square. Same here, minus b square is multiplied with a square and minus b square is multiplied with b square. Now a square multiply a square, that is a raised to 4. I already told you that whenever multiplication with the same base, add the exponent 2 plus 2 4. Here a square b square minus a square b square. You can change the order in a multiplication. Minus b raised to 4. Now you can see this is negative, this is positive, so it is 0. So it will be cancelled out. So it is a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Sign of b raised to 4 is negative, so we write negative sign. Now this is what about the multiplication of binomial with binomial. You can see first expression is 2 term and second expression is also 2 term. Now we multiply binomial with trinomial. Okay. So here what we need to do, it is same as we perform in binomial. First number in an expression is multiplied with whole bracket. Plus 7 is multiplied with a square plus 3a plus 5. Okay. Now here a is multiplied with a square, a is multiplied with 3a and a is multiplied with 5. Now 7 is multiplied with a square, 7 is multiplied with 3a and 7 is multiplied with 5. Okay. Now a multiplied a square become a cube, a is multiplied with 3a become 3a square plus 5a plus 7 is multiplied with a square become 7a square, 7 is multiplied with 3a become 21a and 7 is multiplied with 5 become 35. Now is there any like terms? Yes, you can see 3a square, 7a square. So it becomes 7 plus 3, 10a square. Now here 5a and 21a become 26a plus 35. Now all are unlike terms, so we cannot further simplify them. So this is our last term. Now next one, a minus b is multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now a is multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus b is multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now here a is multiplied with a square, a is multiplied with minus 2ab, a is multiplied with b square. Whenever there is a negative sign in expression, be very careful. Minus b is multiplied with a square, minus b is multiplied with minus 2ab and minus b is multiplied with b square. Now here a multiplied with a square become a cube, a is multiplied with minus 2ab. Here 2 are in these two number are multiplication, these 2 are in multiplication. Now a is multiplied with minus 2ab, so coefficient is remain same minus 2. A multiply a become a square b. Here ab square, here ba square, or you can write a square b. For this minus minus become plus 2 ab square minus b cube. Now is there any like terms? Yes, you can see here a square b and here it is also a square b. Ba square and a square b is same. So here minus and minus become plus. So it is 3ab. 3a square b. Now here you can see these two ab square and ab square. So it is plus 3 ab square and minus b cube at the last. So this way you can also find the multiplication of binomial with trinomial.